Hello student, this is Ashish Tripathi from Mount Retaji School Jhansi. Stay safe, stay home and attend the online class if possible because I am going to give you the projects. No, in my online classes only 2 or 3 students are coming. I don't know why they are not coming. So I am sending a message today. I am sending a message to all the students and they have to answer me why they are not attending the online class because I am completing my syllabus. Thank you. Now see the video. Hello student, this is Ashish Tripathi and today I am teaching you how regarding the files. ऑलरेडी मैंने अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में आपको फाइल्स के बारे में बताया था कि फाइल्स का मतलब होता है यू आर स्टोरिंग द डेटा परमानेंटली इन द सिस्टम. अभी तक आप जितने भी प्रोग्राम वॉट एवर द प्रोग्राम यू आर मेकिंग या दिस इज ऑन द रैम ऑन द टेम्पररी मेमोरी. नाउ from today whatever you will store it will permanently store in your hard disk. Means whatever the data you are inputting by the help of programming it will be stored in the system. So file handling means how to store the data in the files, how to read data from the files, and how to write the data in the file, how to read the data in the file, or how to add more records in the file. Here one program is there. In this three objects are there. One is W, second one is A, and third one is R. W, these are known as the mode. W is write in the file, R means to read the data from the file, and A means to add new record in the old file. Three mode are there: W plus, R plus, A plus. Here we can W plus means read and write, but if the file exists then it will remove the old file. R plus means read and write, but file supposed to be exist that it can read and write. And A is to add new records in the file. Now here you can see I have made a file student.dat in which I have stored some record. In which I am storing 5 records. First of all, I have stored 5 name of the student, and after storing it, I have closed the file. Now I want 5 more new records. अच्छा, आपने एक बात नोटिस की होगी, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा हुआ for fout. Fout is the object, file out मतलब I am writing in the file. File out is the object, open student.dat w. Now for I in range 5, name equal to input, enter a name, पहला नेम स्टोर करेगा, fout डॉट राइट ये नाम स्टोर करेगा. ना fout डॉट राइट ये प्रिंटिंग के समय /tn स्पेस दे देगा, 8 करेक्टर का स्पेस विल बी गिव. नाउ in this way I have stored 5 records, 5 name of the student in the file. Now in the next one again I am recording 5 more records. तो उसी फाइल में 5 more records थी, तो हमारे पास कितने हो जाएंगे 10 records. So I have done the same process, but here mode is A. Here the mode is A, means append mode. Append mode means we are adding extra records in this file. One by one we have stored new records in the file. Now here downward you can see, downward I have written there fout.fin एक नया ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया फाइल रीड के लिए, इनपुट करा रहा हूं मैं फाइल से student.dat read while str हमारा एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, str इक्वल टू fin.readline. दैट मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग द डेटा फ्रॉम द फाइल. वी हैव टेकन द डेटा फ्रॉम द फाइल, प्रिंट str, इसको प्रिंट किया, नेक्स्ट डेटा, जब तक कि str की वैल्यू 0 नहीं हो जाएगी या स्लैश न्यू लाइन नहीं हो जाएगी, till then it will read the data from the file and it will print. So here we have done the 3 modes in the file. One is the input, how to first one, this one is the write the data in the file. You can see till here we are writing simply, we are creating a new file and we are storing the data in that one. Downward we have add some more record in the pre-prepared file, and at last we have stored, at last we have given, at last we have read the data from the file and printing. Now I'm running this program. You can see run module, some changes are there, it's okay. First of all it will asking from records. I have given Ashish, Sunny, Sonal, Kavya, Raj. Now for 5 more records I have given Ravi, Kavi, Sahil, RAKH and Amit. 10 records are there. Now you can see it will print all the 10 records. You have seen all the 10 records are printed. So it's clear what is file handling, how to store the data in the file, and how to read the data in the file. It's my humble request to you, please attend the online classes because I have to give the project to you. If you are not attending, Monday or Tuesday, I will give the project, and within 20 days, you have to submit me the project. So please try to attend the online classes. Stay safe, stay home, and be sanitized. Thank you.